Step over his head, Jack. That's beautiful. Poor Max. I'm trying to have a nap. He gets stepped on by the cat. He's out chasing lizards. You're trying to sleep. It's the Max snore cam. Sleep well, Max.